Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a new Gmail account on your iPhone. So first of all, you're going to go to the App Store, then you're going to want to type in Gmail in the little search bar, and then once you've typed in Gmail, click search, and then you're going to want to click get next to it. For me it says open because I've already downloaded it, so click that if that's the same for you. If not, click get and then download it, then click install and then let that download for a few seconds. You can open it there, or you can go to your apps page and then click Gmail there. And once you're on the first page, you're going to want to click add another account if you have some there, or if not, it will just automatically come up with the next part. So click add another account, then it will come to this part, then you're going to want to click Google. Then it's going to say once Google wants to sign in, you want to click continue, and then it's going to come to this part here. So use your Google account. For you won't have one, so click create. Then for myself or for my business, depending on what you are, so if you want to create a new account, you're going to want to do that. So then you want to type in your first name and your last name. Some of these things here, throughout this, I'm going to cover up, but it's pretty simple. You want to know what to type in with all these things there. So type in your first name, second name, your basic information, to your day, month, year, and your gender for this part here. So then once you've done with that, you want to click done. So for all these things, you just want to go through then and answer them all. It's a pretty simple process going through all this, but I'm going to go through them all anyway. Then you're going to want to choose your Gmail address. You can create your own, or it's going to give you an example. You can click the example, just like tick that box there if you don't care about what your Gmail is really. But if you do, click create your own Gmail address. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go click that there. Then I'm going to type in my Gmail address. For this, I'm probably going to cover this part up and some others, like I said before, because I don't want people knowing like all my details, etc. But I am typing in my Gmail address there. Then going next, and then you want to create a password. So create a strong password with a mixture of letters and numbers. There is actually a certain type of things that you're going to need to add in it, like potentially numbers, capital letters. You can't just make it like the same as your like your name or something like that. It can't just be like password. So there are some things. If your password doesn't have all those things in it, then it will tell you that you can't like potentially have like your name, let's say, if you put it in it, or something like that. It will let you know. But if it just goes through normally, then you'll know your password's perfectly fine. But make it a strong one. And it'll say save the password. For me, I'm just going to go not now. And then it's going to tell you to add your phone number, so you're going to want to go ahead and do that. Make sure it's the correct area code, like you're having the flag next to it, etc. So type in your number there, and this is to make it clear, this needs to be an actual phone number that you're going to have access to, and you're going to be able to get a code from, because sometimes it will send you a code, and if you don't have it, you won't be able to access it, and potentially that means you won't be able to access your account. So go to this bottom there, then click yes, I'm in, once you've typed in your phone number, but like I said, make sure it's the real one, because then it might send you the code like it does now. You need it literally right afterwards, so make sure you do have it straight away, and then you're going to want to go ahead and type that code in there. It's literally come up, you can auto-complete it, or you can just type it in yourself right there. Make sure you get it correct. So if you want to get it correct, just click the auto-complete version. It should come up on most mobile devices. As you can say there, review your account info. Make sure that's all correct with your phone number and stuff there. Click next. Then things like this and fast searches, you can kind of click what you want to here, but all these things aren't really that big of a deal. You can just go click through them there. So say you want to keep your data, etc. Rather they didn't, stuff like that. You kind of get up to you on these how things you click through these, but it's just just going to show you the process through getting them all. So click on whichever one you want and click next for a better YouTube homepage. Blah blah blah. All this nonsense that people really aren't interested in. Just go through and click on that, and then your ad's your choice. You can go through there and click whichever one you want. Maybe you can pick my choices like that, but it's completely up to you. So click next on that one there. And the privacy and terms, you can go through and read this if you really want to. Go through that, but you're going to have to click agree. If you don't agree, then you're not going to be allowed on to the next step. So it's kind of an option. It's not really an option. And then it's going to come up there with your manager account. So it should be your account there, or potentially your other ones with it. But your account there will appear at the top if you've already got other accounts on there. Then you're going to want to click done once you've got to this part here. And it's going to get you on to the next thing here, which is going to be just your Gmail account right here. Once you see this page, you know your Gmail account has been created, and that's kind of the end step there. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos for apps like this and others like it. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.